पल पल तड़पे जिस पल के लिए, पल पल तड़पे जिस पल के लिए, वो पल भी आया कुछ पल के लिए। सोचा रोक लूं उस पल को हर पल के लिए, सोचा रोक लूं उस पल को हर पल के लिए, पर वो पल भी ठहरा कुछ पल के लिए। Good morning all of you. My name is Anu Kumari and today is our presentation session, and presentation session is a very good for our spoken, because without presentation you cannot improve your fluency, you cannot improve your body language. So this is very useful for us. So let's start my presentation. Today I am to talk about one person, and this person is very unique at now time. This person is the most popular and every person know about him. So this person is called King of Cricket. Can you guess what is my topic?
Yes. No. Virat Kohli.
Yeah, you are right. My presentation topic is about Virat Kohli. Virat Kohli is now time the most popular cricketer, and every person know about him because he is a very good player, and every person like him, and I also like him because he is the best player, and his nickname is Chiku. Chiku name is very unique, and this is a very funny name. So and a number of person called him Chiku, and his born was 5 November 1888 in New Delhi. His father name is Prem Kohli and his mother name is Saroj Kohli. He has one elder brother and one sister. His brother name is Vikas Kohli and his sister name is Bhavna Kohli. And when he was only 3 years old, that time he interested in cricket, and that time he also played with cricket in a small bat and ball. But sometime after, when he was only 9 years old, that time a number of person give the suggestion, you will be the best player, so that's you focus on your goal. So that time he interested in cricket, and then after he joined an academy, and then after that, and he started his career only 9 years old. That time a number of person don't know what is the condition, but he faced a number of problems. His life, that time his life was very struggleful. Sometime after he was only 18 years old, that time he played cricket against Tamil Nadu, but that time his father death, but he don't focus on this side, and he totally focused on cricket, and then after he won the match, and then after he come to home. And his wife name is Anushka Sharma. She is also a very famous actress, and every person like him, and she is very beautiful and very talented actress. So every person like him, and he got married with Virat Kohli in 11 December 2017. This marriage is very unique from other marriage, because in this marriage Anushka Sharma also wear very costly lehenga. This lehenga price is approx 30 lakhs, and in this marriage a number of very big celebrity come, and a number of very big businessmen, and in this marriage a number of leaders also came, and Mukesh Ambani's family also came in this marriage, and he has a one daughter name is Vamika, and she is very beautiful and very cute child, and she is very beautiful, and he also love with his daughter, and he also focus and take care on his health, and he take care of his food, because he drink water, that water name is black water. That water price is approx 4,000 per liter, and this is very good. This water is very good for our health, and this water is maintain your health. That's the reason he drink that water, and in this sometime before our our Virat Kohli play World Cup, that every Indians people, and this World Cup organized in our India in Ahmedabad ground. And you know, and on that day, our all Indian players very well. But on this day, our Virat Kohli play also very well. But we cannot, but they cannot won this our World Cup. That's the reason our all Indian players are feel very bad, and all Indians feel very bad. But and on that day, you know, also our Virat Kohli also we are weeping. So I hope you all are like Virat Kohli. Yes. I also like Virat Kohli, and thank you everyone.